Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. My name is George Kingori. I'm your online finance guy who speaks about all things finance. How you can be able to save, invest and grow your finances. And today I'm going to speak about business, separating business from your personal expenses. And this is a challenge that is faced by most business people, especially sole proprietorship kind of business, where you are the owner, you are the manager, you are the worker, and your business may not be as separate from you as you desire it to be. And this is one of the biggest pitfalls for people who are starting business and how they manage this business, because it could be affecting how your business is going, and it could be masking bad financial decisions, as you are always getting rescued from your poor financial decisions by business money. So you need to separate your personal expenses or personal finances with your business. And how can you go about it? The first thing, you need to keep a record of expenses in your business. All the expenses, all the transactions, all the incomes, you need to have a record, because you need to determine how much have I made, how much is the cost, how much is the profit going down. And you need to separate even your own personal cost into a salary and reduce and cut any withdrawings that you have from the salary you're going to extend on yourself, so that you have a fixed amount that you are charging the business for your own personal input as an employee in that business. So ensure that you have excellent records and record everything, failure to which you might find yourself mixing business and pleasure. So keep excellent records that will be able to help you in your business. Of course, the other thing that is related to that is have a system. Have a system, that an accounting system that will be able to record all these things. Have a separate business account, have a separate personal account, and ensure that the two of them do not mix. The only time that money comes from one to the other is when you're doing capital injection or when you're paying yourself a salary, not when you are doing other things. So that is the easiest way you can be able to separate business and your personal expenses. So separate bank accounts. Of course, the other thing is to track all your stock, track all your drawings. Yes, track all your costs, all your stocks. So if you are into the business of, say, bakery, ensure that all the goods that you use for production are recorded. Any withdrawings are recorded, any sales are recorded, because all stock must be recorded. And if you were to take some of this stock for your own personal purposes, then you need again to record, so that you can be able to do a minus when you are paying yourself a salary, so that you do not acquire more than proportionate money from your business. Again, because you want to grow your business, you do not also want to withdraw too much money or too many assets and resources from your business. Of course, the other thing is to pay yourself a salary and account for it. So always pay yourself a salary from which you can be able to pay for your personal expenses, housing, electricity, and all these other costs. So pay yourself a salary and ensure that that salary is sent to your personal account, so that you can be able to do as you wish with your salary without touching any of your business income. Of course, the other thing is to calculate your profits. The biggest challenge with sole proprietorship kind of business is people cannot actually say how much is their profits. So ensure that you can be able to calculate your profits. And one of the biggest challenges is people don't, because of mixing personal finances and business expenses, they cannot be able to ascertain the actual value of a business in terms of the net worth and in terms of the profit that this business is making. One of the biggest challenges with financing sole proprietor kind of business is when personal and business expenses cannot be separated. And when somebody wants to finance such a business, they cannot be able to determine what is the worth of this business. You yourself cannot be able to determine how much personal input you have brought into the business beyond the other factors of production. And because of this, you cannot effectively get a good value while to convert this business into a company that you could be able to sell shares to others. So separate your business so you can be able to upscale it if you need to and upgrade it into a fully fledged company with you as one of the shareholders, or get funding that is based on the actual assets of that business. So separate your personal from your business and you'll be able to see both of these things flourish. I hope that you are learning. I hope that you are growing, and I hope that you're on your way towards making financial progress. Thank you and enjoy your day.